So, hello guys, welcome to the workshop. So this is it's going to be a Chiliz workshop. We are talking about Chiliz chain, which is our layer one blockchain, which we launched almost a year ago now, maybe just over that. And who is Chiliz? So who am I? So I am James. I'm the senior product owner for the blockchain team at Chiliz. We also have in this room with us Cyril, who is our lead blockchain developer, and Anna, who is our director of operations. You'll be hearing from her as well a bit later on. And so what we're doing here, so who is Chiliz? Chiliz has been around for about 5-6 years. We started off making partnerships with clubs. And with these partnerships we made with clubs, we created a new form of asset, which is a fan token. So with a fan token is an ERC20 token, which essentially allows users to engage with the club, right? So we created this relationship with clubs where through these Web3 tokens, clubs are able to allow their fans to engage with them and earn rewards, be it tickets or money can't buy experiences. So what we did is we managed to get about 2 million users on our fan engagement app. It's called socios.com. And we realized that we wanted to start opening up the ecosystem to allow others to also create utility for our fan tokens, create their own fan tokens, maybe look at different sports that maybe we aren't looking at, entertainment. So we created this layer one blockchain called Chiliz Chain, which is an iteration of our old private blockchain. But obviously this one is public. It's an EVM compatible chain. It's a fork of Binance Smart Chain actually. And essentially what we're doing here is we want you guys to kind of come build some ideas. We are focused on mainly sports and entertainment, but we're also looking for tools, right? So we want to make the developer experience easier and easier to build on our chain. So we also look for that kind of stuff. And essentially this is what we're looking for here. So I've created this page. It's a landing page for ETHGlobal London. It should kind of condense a bit the docs so that you have everything you need to get started right here. We have also a link to our workshop video that was published on the YouTube channel, and we also have our price categories. So what we're looking for is two different specific categories. One of them is fan token utility. So we want to get real life use cases for our fan tokens besides the ones that we've already created, and add more utility, right? So we want to utilize these fan tokens on different platforms, which can be anything from token gating, live events, whatever comes to mind. And we have first, second, and third prize for that pool. We also have a second category, which is SportFi. So we want to create platforms related to sports and entertainment on the Chiliz chain. It doesn't have to be related to fan tokens, but any new kind of idea that can create Web3 experiences with sports and entertainment on our blockchain. We added some examples, so DEX, lending, social fi, pool betting, lossless betting, and anything that comes to mind, right? So we had some ideas, like for example, oracles for sports data. So whatever is related to sports and entertainment, and you think will benefit the network, we're ready to look at it. We also have a pool prize. So what we're looking for in the pool prize is just successful deployments on our chain. So if you have a project that you're building that maybe is not that related to sports and entertainment, you can deploy it on our chain, and you will be part of the pool prize as well. We have some useful information. So our testnet is called Spicy Testnet. This is where we're looking for people to deploy. There's no need to deploy a mainnet. You can just deploy on the testnet. It's enough for us. And we have some links for the block explorers. Actually, I'll update this because this is the block explorers for mainnet, so I'll add the ones for testnet as well. Our links to the docs, minimum gas price, and some other information that might be useful whilst you're hacking. some links for our test net. So we have a faucet. We have two faucets actually. One of them is run by us, another one is run by Tatum. So you should be able to get Chiliz from there. And if you need more, just let us know and we can provide. We also have a faucet for fan tokens within the same. So the spicy faucet, you'll be able to get fan tokens from there as well. And we have some links to available tools that are some tools that are available on the network, like Morales, Tatum, Third Web, Word Connect. We have PETH as an oracle, but it only provides price data. But we also have random number generation from PETH, so it might come in handy for some project that you'll be building. So that's a quick rundown. We are a layer 1, so an EVM compatible chain. It should be pretty straightforward. There's not much technical stuff that you might, if you're used to deploying on EVM, it should be the same experience for us. But if you have any questions that I can answer, I'm happy to do it. Yep.
Any specific RPC you would recommend? Any specific RPC you would recommend? Like the spicy RPC, is it stable usually?
Yeah, the spicy RPC would be the most stable one. We had some issues recently with public node, so I would stick to spicy RPC for now. But both should work technically. Any other questions?
Excuse me. Yeah. So how do we verify contracts? Is there a verifying API?
So maybe Cyril. Sorry. So you can use the Explorer. I think there's a hard hat with Chiliz can. No.
Yeah. I can find the verification API in the docs.
You can't find it in the docs. Which one are you using? Scan.chiliz.com or sorry, spicy-explorer or testnet.chilizcan.com.
Scan.chiliz.com.
So scan is for mainnet. We have spicy-explorer.chiliz.com for testnet, and there should be a guide in the docs.
Okay, I'll find it out.
If not, you can just come to our booth or ping us on Telegram. We have a Telegram group for hackers as well.
Do you maybe have any examples from like previous hackathons where teams successfully integrated the Bioconomy SDK for Chiliz for a kind of section?
So far we haven't had. So our last hackathon, Bioconomy was not yet available. So we didn't have really much people using it, but we've tried it out quite a bit ourselves, and it should be working easily. That's a good point, actually. If you want to use account abstraction, we have Bioconomy available on the chain. So. If we don't have any other questions, we can close off early. You can come ask me now or at the booth. But yeah, good luck, and we're excited to see what you guys come up with.